common question I get is, what's the easiest way to clean gutters? I always have customers complain that they've got a patio roof that runs over the gutter, or that they just cut their hands and have to continually clean gutters. Well, wear a pair of gloves, and then the secret is to blow it out with a blower vac. And we'll drop all that onto the floor, and then we blow it into a corner and put it all in the bin. It's the easiest way to do it. I'll show you how to do it. And the key is, use yourself a nice powerful blower vac. It can be electric or it can be petrol powered, doesn't matter, as long as it's got some power. We'll show you how that's all done. Okay, so also, if your gutters haven't been cleaned for a while, sometimes they can be pretty sticky, the leaves. They've embedded themselves quite well. Generally, just move your blower vac like that and blow it into the gaps, and then come along afterwards to break it up. If that still doesn't work, then the easiest way is just grab yourself a broom, turn it upside down, use the handle, run along, just break it up, and then come back with the blower vac, and it should all work. Okay, just a couple of things to note when you're doing this. When you walk on the tiles on any tiled roof, the place you want to walk is right there, where the two tiles join. It's the strongest part because you have two tiles and a tile batten underneath. So that'll take your weight the best, and you're less likely to get any cracks. Don't forget to make sure you get all your valleys as well. As you can see, we're doing well on this house. Some of the blessings of the lovely gum trees around us. Okay, so when we're blowing to the corners. Once you get a bit of speed up and it hits the corners, it's just going to flick right over and up, and then onto, if it's on the other roof, you just blow it off. General technique, start at your highest gutter first and then work your way down to the next one before you clean it, because obviously everything's falling downwards. Okay, so there you go. You can see gutter's been cleaned out, and I don't know whether you can see that, but all the leaves have dropped to the floor. So don't have any washing out when you're doing the gutter cleaning. And now what we'll do is we'll go down to the ground, blow all those into the corner with the blower vac, and just pick them up and put them in the bin. So as you can see, this method does leave quite a mess. Okay, so my recommendation is do it when it's dry, because if you do this when it's wet, it will leave mud. And of course we're going to blow all that into a corner and pick it up, but you can't do that if it's mud. It just sticks to everything. There you go. There's your gutters all cleaned, and I didn't even have to put my hands in there. If you like this video, please subscribe. Helps me to make other videos. Thanks. Bye.